If you are uploading Instagram Reels and you want to upload meme to that Instagram Reel, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add meme to your Instagram Reel. For this, first part we need to do is open Instagram application. After that, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your profile. In your profile above, you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see Reel option. Click on Reel. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the video which you want to upload as Reel. For example, I am selecting this video. After that, to add meme, what you need to do is, here you can see one button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see some trending memes. If you have saved any memes, here you can see saved section. From there, you can select your saved memes. Anyways, in trending, you can see so many memes. You can select whichever meme you want. For example, I am selecting this meme. After that, in editing section, here you can see that meme section. In this meme, sound will be there. If you don't want sound, just click on volume and you can reduce that sound. Anyways, after that, click on this done button. And if you want to move this meme from here, what you need to do is click on this meme area. When you are clicking on that, you can see edit button. Click on this edit button and you can move it wherever you want. Or if you want to reduce size, you can reduce size using 2 fingers. Anyways, after that, you can place it wherever you want. Or if you want to delete, long press on this meme. When you are long pressing and moving, down here you can see drag to delete. And you can move this here and it will be deleted. Anyways, you can place it wherever you want. After that, click on this done button. Now, if you want to delete this from here, you can click on this discard option. Anyways, after everything is complete, above you can see a arrow mark like this. Click on this arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can add caption, tag people or change audience. Anyways, after that, click on this share button and that reel will be shared. So this way you can easily add memes in your Instagram Reels. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.